Hi guys, welcome. We have another day of my trading. I'm looking to start a trade in 10 seconds. So I'm pulling the trigger using my Hedge Ninja, which is an expert advisor. Pull the trigger now. Buy. Which wins no matter which direction it goes. So if it goes up here, you don't see my mouse cursor for some reason. Yeah, as you see now, the gray line, the upper gray line is my hedge area. The gray line, and the lower line here is the entry. But it changes direction depending on in which way we trade. The price goes. So if price moves up, we change to a buy. If price moves down, we change to a sell. And this is obviously it's a terrible strategy if price is consolidating, but if price is moving up or down, we win 1% no matter what, which is pretty nice. So what I do here is I trade US 100 at New York Open. I know that it more often than not it moves. So to me that's a good way to trade this strategy. So we see now how it goes. It has closed 2 positions at a loss. So we are $31 minus. I don't know, I don't see the cursor, which is annoying. Sorry about that. But you see the upper red line is the upper target. So if price moves there, we're gonna win 1%. If price moves down here to the lower target, we're gonna win 1% as well. And the gray line is where the hedge is, and the green line is where the entry is for this position. And this is a buy we're in now. So if it moves down to the gray area, we're gonna close this position and open a sell instead. So yeah, we haven't seen much movement here now. I hope we get moving pretty soon. Talking to a guy who's running this robot as well on a 50k FTMO account. He's a bit scared about how it opens and closes trades. He, he started this without really knowing what it does. So yeah, but I explained to him. Yeah, talking to this guy. Okay, let's see here now. Okay, 2 days to Christmas. I think this. I deserve this as a Christmas present to not have another drawdown day. I had a drawdown day 2 days ago. Yesterday I did some profit. The day Friday I did profit as well. But Monday I lost. Okay, let's move. I don't know how to. I don't know how to show the cursor. I can only do that if I have display capture. Google is your friend. Sorry. Okay, we're moving at least. Now we're at more or less break even, as you see, and in the current profit. Okay, it's impossible to show the cursor. Fuck. Stupid Macintosh version. Reddit's only on Macintosh. Oh well. So far, so good. Come on, baby. 0.5%. It's only 0.5% left. How you like the strategy? You like it so far? What are you seeing? It's pretty nice to be able to win no matter which direction the instrument goes. And this can be used. Sorry, this can be used on any instrument, anytime. You can use it on gold. You can use it on yeah, you name it. The only thing you need to know is that if it consolidates, you're gonna have a big drawdown. So if it doesn't consolidate and it moves, you're gonna win no matter what. So it's a super nice strategy to trade on any instrument that you know is gonna move. That's the beauty of this strategy. Come on, let's move. Up, 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 up. Okay, 8 minutes to new hour candle. It really took a pause now in the market, so we'll see if it continues soon. It's moving a bit now again. That's good. Good stuff. Let's move. Come on, baby. You can do it. Yesterday it moved. I mean, here was my trade as sold it down here, and then in the after that in the evening, just shot right up here, so it can move a lot in the New York session. So I could have just entered another trade here if I wanted, but I didn't. So because I do one trade cycle per day, and my goal is 1%. So that's enough. In 5 minutes, if we come up a little bit closer to the target, I'm gonna most likely close the trade, because when a new hour comes and we have a big move like this in the hour before, we often see a retracement, and I don't really like to be in the trade and just wait it out. I rather take 0.8% instead of 1%, but banking it. So I'm pretty sure, or I'm definitely sure that I will get a profit instead of going down and moving down. And I mean, if I'm up 0.7%, I only have 0.3% to gain by having the position open. So imagine if it goes down again and start open consolidation, more trades in the consolidation area, and I end up in a drawdown instead. That would really suck. And also, if I go back to break even, from having 0.7% profit open, I go back and close it at break even if I want to do that. And I lost 0.7, so I can only gain 0.3, but I can lose 0.7. So the risk reward shifts. I have made a video about that as well, but it shifts the more the trade goes. So like now it's going back, and now I'm soon in drawdown again, but okay. After sunshine, there's rain. After rain, there's sunshine. It's always like this. This is how I think about the markets. If it goes up, it will come down. If it goes down, it will come up. Okay, it looks like it's gonna come down again. We'll see about that. 2 minute new hour. This is one of my two strategies that I trade and that I teach. Or I don't really teach this strategy except here on YouTube. But FTMO Academy, I do another trading strategy. And that's also a very lucrative strategy. I do one, maybe two trades per day. And most of the time I win the trades or I end up in break even. Many times break even because I really make my decision based on risk rather than profit. So if I'm in like this trade now, in trading in FTMO Academy strategy, I would have closed it at break even. I wouldn't give back then the profit. It's better to close a break even and take a new trade if it doesn't show my clear direction. In FTMO Academy, we also calculate the target, so we get an exact price level where a target is. So we trade towards that target. This makes it removes the guessing game of in which direction you should trade. So if price moves to the target, but you feel that no, it's losing momentum and it shifts momentum, and you're in profit, then I just put my stop loss to break even. I trade it really safe. And I like to trade that way. I haven't done that all my, especially in the beginning. The first 2-3 years, I did not trade like that. Was always, oh yeah, I had the profits. I'm gonna have the profits again, and boom, it ended up in a loss instead. It's better to always think about risk before profits. And to preserve your capital, I mean, especially in FTMO, but even in your own capital. I trade my own capital as well, and it's a lot of freedom with your own capital. You have a lot of drawdown possibility to use the drawdown to your advantage, but also you can lose a lot of money doing that. So trading like you do in FTMO, it's pretty nice because you stick to the rules. Okay, new hour. Let's see what's happening. What's happening? Would have been nice to get out of this trade. We're not. I'm looking how to show the cursor. Yeah, it's coming down again. That's really sucks. We'll see what will happen. Okay, we're back to square one. Yeah, it can be a little bit slow sometimes like this. Maybe it will start moving later in the day, in the evening. But yeah, it is what it is. Just wait. Yeah, back. How was the poo patrol? My wife is doing a lot of baking and fixing the food, etc. Slow, slow, slow. Slow, 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 slow. Slow, 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 slow. Slow, 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 slow. Come on, baby, move. Yeah, this is really boring. Come on. Soon we're going. We have 45 minutes since I opened the first trade, or since I opened this trade and the first position in the trade. Each position, each trade has multiple positions. We're hedging here. If you haven't heard about how this strategy works and you just tune in, it's you see the green entry line. That's the first buy. You see the gray line below. That's the hedge distance. So when price comes down to the gray line, it closes the position and it opens a sell position instead. So it changes direction. And it keeps doing this until it starts moving. So like now we're above the entry, so we're keeping this buy. And when we reach the red line at the top, we are having 1.16% profit. The initial target was 1%, but it increases 0.05% per position. And this is like the third or fourth, something like that. Third position or so, I can't remember. And even if it goes down and closes this position at the gray line and opens a sell, then the next target is obviously the red line in the bottom. So you can so I make the same profit no matter which of these red lines I come to. So it's a pretty nice strategy. And this looks decent. It's moving. Can be consolidating, you know, but we haven't really had a move today. We have let me see. No, I don't have it here. We haven't really moved that much today. You can see here. I can see it. Yeah, we can see here. We have moved 59%. We have moved 16,000 points out of 27,000, which is the average per day on use 100. So we have moved 59%, which, yeah, so we have more room to move. We have like 11k points, 11,000 points to move until we reach the average daily range. And our target is 12k. So, I mean, we need another 5,400 or so to reach our target. So we should be good. I don't know if you're using ADR. I'm started to using it more and more. It's really powerful. Average daily range. So I can know if, okay, we have moved 120% already of the daily range today. Up, let's say we move up and my target is below, then I know that most likely I'm not going to move all the way down again. So by combining these numbers together with your regular strategy, you can benefit from it. It can be good to start looking at those values. ADR is super nice. It doesn't mean it can't move more, because the average is the average. We have days with maybe double and days with less than half. I'm just gonna keep this one open. Sometimes I like to close like this when I don't see it really moves, but every time I close, it's ending up a bigger profit, or yeah, it was a bad close. That's almost all the time for me, and that's it. I mean, isn't it normal that that you let the losers go to full stop loss and the winners you take in early? Sometimes because you have a few losses in your behind you, then you think that, okay, I know I take half the profit now, so I at least get some profit. But you need the full profits to let your probabilities work as they should. Slowing down again. Let's move up. we're close to 1 hour now. The trade we open at 3:30, 3:30 Central European Time, CET. Okay, we have a package on the door, UPS or something. I will be right back. Still slow. Let's move. Mm-hmm. Looks like a mess behind there. You don't see it, but yeah, you see it. I have that's a 43-inch screen you see there, 4K 120 hertz. I have another one here in front of me. I used to have two of these, but I feel it was overkill, and now I have a LG 5K vertical screen instead. So I put it vertical, and I have my 4K here. It's super, super. Now I have everything I need for my trading station or my workstation. But I need to fix that background because I don't like it to be messy. So I'm gonna put the screen in the middle, and that's my gaming computer. Doom, doom, doom. Come on, break the high. Break the high. Break the high. I have like a big diffuser here. Let's do like this. Yeah, you see here? The camera. Camera here. Come on, move. I don't have time for this. I need to go to the groceries to buy some more meat, some ribs. That's my only, how do you say, responsibility this Christmas. My wife don't let me in the kitchen, so she will. But the ribs, she wanted to give me something. I don't want to fail on that one. I got one task and I fail on it. She's gonna throw the ring on me. It looks like I'm failing on the Christmas presents as well. I got like 5 or 6 or 7 presents, and I got one. The worst of them all. That's the one who have arrived in the mail. So I hope it's coming today or at the latest tomorrow, or I'm gonna be screwed. She loves presents. Which woman doesn't? Come on there. I got this from my son.
The monsters on
Talk like
all
this.
have skin.
English.
The high skin.
No, talk English. Yeah, talk English.
The high skin is on onto all.
Okay. I got this from my son. It's really nice cookie. Yeah. What is it called? What is it?
A monster.
A monster. Okay. Nicholas, where's price gonna go? Is it gonna go up or down?
Down.
Oh.
Please.
Obviously no. Why do you say that? It's gonna go up.
Yes, because
No, don't climb on the table. Yeah.
uh,
So you think it's gonna go down?
I think so.
Okay.
The bank is going up. Oh, I think the middle.
No, not the middle. The middle is worst. I want it to go to this red line or this red line.
Who are you talking about?
To the people that's watching. Okay, should I taste this now?
Yes.
Well, it's only marzipan. I can eat only this.
But you have to.
It's called in English marzipan, or I don't know, but it's only that. Lovely. So good.
But you cannot write on it because you cannot eat when if you write on it.
Yeah. I bite the head off. Come.
Yes, but I want to stay here. Today here.
Yeah.
Hello, bro.
What did he say?
Another way for saying for calling that is bro and fashion. But in Sweden it's called fashion. But
No, bro is brother. Fashan is father. Dominic is your brother. He's your bro.
Okay, stop. They're gonna hear you tell YouTubers then.
Okay. Let's go to mommy. Come.
So
Say goodbye.
goodbye. I'm gonna talk later with you. So goodbye. I see you soon. My dad has a job now, so he has to work on these computers. He has 2 computers.
My other kid.
And the baby's name is Dominic. Oh, I'm sorry, I can't talk with you now, so I'm going. Goodbye, I see you later. Oh, I can talk a little bit more. And that's goodbye. Goodbye. See you later.
Yeah, I hope that was entertaining. Yeah, come on, let's go. Now we're going somewhere. We're going to Miami. My son's first prediction was that it should go lower, or in the middle. So if he is right, I should close now. If he is wrong, I should not close now. I think we're looking really bullish here. But what do I know? Hey, good. Yeah, okay. Well, that's it. Now I closed it. It did 1%. So I'm happy with that. Took some time, 1 hour and 9 minutes, but it's 1% profit. So I'm super happy. So thanks for watching. And I see you maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm gonna trade tomorrow or if I'm gonna wait until. Yeah, we'll see. Probably tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.